go.
All right, what's up everybody? Athena's Bay, or Athena Lomi, depending on where you're checking me out. I have the Lomi composter. So y'all, I was like very hesitant to buy this when I first saw it. I definitely could not afford it then. And then like it went on sale, and then even then I was still hesitant. But after all my issues with compost and like NPR's thing, like on Spotify, always like, I think it's What a Day, but they're always like, Lomi. And honestly, after like much research on it, I do appreciate this purchase and think it will benefit me. But what will benefit me right now is if I get something sharp to open this with. So I'll be right back.
This video is sponsored by kombucha.
Yes, the flavor of the day is Big Easy kombucha, strawberry and honeysuckle, bayou berry. Much thanks to Sandra, who is also the camera person. Say hi to the people.
Hey.
And with that, let's see. So y'all, I'm not gonna show any footage of it right now because I gotta be somewhere really soon. But I'm definitely going to run it tonight. And see what I get in the morning. So it has the instruction manual, little cute card. Look at you, turning waste into dirt. Regarde toi. Transformer les déchets en salade. Or whatever it goes like. Probably butchered that. So excuse my French. But it comes with the 3-prong thing, plug, a little bag, and this bag is supposed to be a bioplastic that you can compost into it. I'm not sure if you have to like cut up the bag or not though. Also comes with a starter pack of like compost accelerator. I got this or some kind of thing that's supposed to help preserve the microbes while you do it. I got a subscription for that as part of the deal to get it. But it's cute.
It's cute.
It's cute. Kind of heavy. The delivery thing, when I looked at the thing, was like 25 pounds, which is not a light thing to tote around. But right now it's in the lock position. And I don't know how to turn it to the unlock. Do I just take this off?
Do you twist it?
I thought you twisted it.
There you go.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I was twisting it the wrong way. So yeah. Okay, nice. This is a sturdy metal tube, which makes sense because it gets heated up. There's the heating plate on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
A ventilator on the back because it also dehydrates it. Do not fill over this line. Please remove the sticker before use. Let me go ahead and remove that now. But yeah, this is the Lomi.
She's cute.
She's cute. I'm excited for it.
And the on and off buttons say, oh, you can mix. So mixing, drying, and cooling.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to really read the instructions before I even like do anything with it. But yeah, I'm excited, and until next time, this was Athena's Bay 7 or Athena Lomi, depending on where you're catching me from, but I'll talk to you later. Peace.
Later.